Transforming your kitchen or bathroom with granite countertops can feel like a daunting project, but in reality, it's much more achievable and rewarding than you might think. From choosing the perfect stone to the final wipe down of your new countertop, every step brings you closer to a space that feels both luxurious and uniquely yours. Let's break down the process and discover how installing granite countertops can be a straightforward, stress-free journey. First, imagine walking into a room that immediately catches your eye, the sunlight glinting off a beautifully polished granite surface. Granite has long been prized for its natural beauty, durability, and timeless appeal. Each slab is a masterpiece of nature, with swirls and flecks that make every countertop one of a kind. But beyond its aesthetic value, granite offers practical benefits. It's heat and scratch resistant, easy to clean, and can last a lifetime with proper care. The journey begins with inspiration. Maybe you've seen a kitchen in a magazine, or perhaps a friend's renovation sparked your interest. Whatever the source, your vision matters. Start by exploring different styles and colors of granite. Do you prefer the dramatic veining of black galaxy, the subtle elegance of white ice, or the earthy warmth of giallo ornamental? Visit a stone yard or browse online galleries to find what resonates with your taste and your home's decor. Once you've narrowed down your options, it's time for measurements. Accurate measurements are crucial for a seamless installation. Take note of the length, width, and depth of your existing countertops, including any cutouts for sinks, faucets, or cooktops. Don't worry if you're unsure. Most reputable granite suppliers offer professional templating services. A technician will visit your space, create a precise template, and help you avoid costly mistakes. With measurements in hand, you can now get a quote that includes not just the stone itself, but also fabrication and installation. Granite pricing varies based on rarity, thickness, and complexity of the project. Remember, investing in quality pays off in both appearance and longevity. The next step is selecting your slab. Unlike manufactured materials, granite slabs can vary widely even within the same color or style. Visit the supplier's warehouse and inspect the actual pieces. Look for consistency in pattern and color, and visualize how the stone will flow across your countertops. Some homeowners choose to book-match slabs for a mirrored effect, while others embrace the natural variation that makes granite so distinctive. Now, let's talk about preparation. Before installation day, clear your countertops of any appliances, dishes, and personal items. If you're replacing old counters, arrange for their removal. Some installers handle this as part of their service, while others may require you to do it in advance. Ensure that your cabinets are level and securely fastened. Granite is heavy, and a strong base is essential for safety and longevity. On installation day, the excitement builds. Skilled professionals transport your custom-cut granite slabs, carefully maneuvering them into your home. They'll dry fit each piece, making sure edges align perfectly and seams are minimal. Next, they secure the slabs to your cabinets using industrial-strength adhesives. If your design includes an undermount sink, it will be attached and supported to ensure a watertight seal. Cutouts for sinks, cooktops, or faucets are typically made off-site during fabrication, but minor adjustments can be handled on-site if needed. Installers will fill any seams with a color-matched epoxy, polishing the joints for a smooth, nearly invisible finish. Edges are shaped according to your preference, whether you like the classic bullnose, the modern beveled edge, or something more ornate. Once the stone is in place, the surface is thoroughly cleaned and sealed. Granite is naturally porous, so applying a high-quality sealant is key to preventing stains and preserving the stone's luster. Your installer will likely recommend resealing every 1 to 2 years, depending on usage. Maintenance is simple. Wipe spills promptly, use pH-neutral cleaners, and avoid harsh chemicals. Now, step back and admire your new granite countertops. The transformation is immediate. Your space feels brighter, more refined, and infinitely more inviting. Cooking becomes a pleasure on a surface that's both beautiful and practical. Entertaining guests is easier when your counters can handle hot pans, sharp knives, and the occasional spill without worry. but the benefits go beyond daily use. Granite countertops can significantly increase your home's value, making them a smart investment. Prospective buyers are often drawn to the durability and elegance of natural stone, seeing it as a marker of quality and care. Of course, the journey doesn't end with installation. Granite is meant to be lived with, enjoyed, and shared. Over time, your countertops will develop a subtle patina, reflecting the meals prepared, the conversations had, and the memories made in your home. With just a little attention, they'll remain a highlight of your space for decades to come. If you're considering the DIY route, it's important to weigh the challenges. Granite slabs are extremely heavy and require specialized tools for cutting and finishing. Mistakes can be costly, both in terms of material and safety. For most homeowners, partnering with experienced professionals ensures the best results and peace of mind. So, transforming your space with granite countertops is simpler than you might imagine. Start with your vision. Choose a stone that speaks to you, and trust experts to handle the details. In just a few steps, you can elevate your kitchen or bathroom from ordinary to extraordinary, creating a space that truly feels like home. Granite is more than just a countertop. It's a statement of style, a mark of quality, and a foundation for everything that happens in your home. Whether you're renovating for yourself or preparing to sell, the impact is undeniable. With the right planning and guidance, the process is straightforward, rewarding, and, most importantly, simple. So, if you're ready to transform your space, embrace the power and beauty of granite. The journey is easier than you think, and the results will inspire you every single day.